Dr. Lohr, K+S released its figures for the third quarter of 2017. How do you comment the recent development?
Revenues and operating earnings have increased again, a very positive development that was mainly due to the better situation at the Werra site. We had no disposal-related standstills, and I think we can assume that there will be no further standstills for the rest of the year. And we had a very nice development with the potash prices. They have further increased, and that was helpful as well. So that's why we confirm the full year guidance for 2017. And we have seen some improvements around our environmental topics.
And you mentioned some progress in regards to environmental and regulatory topics. What do you mean exactly?
We have progress in different fields. First of all, and that was very important, we received last Thursday the approval for the early commencement of the tailings pile extension in Hattorf. That was a small step, but an important step because it secures the uninterrupted production in Hattorf. Secondly, we have progress in our negotiations with the community Gerstungen and the organization called BUND. We want to see a settlement in the course of this year. It's around the dispute concerning the deep well injection. And finally, but very important as well, in a couple of weeks from now we will start our KCF plant, and that will reduce our salty residues by another 1.5 million cubic meters annually.
Now let's talk about the Bethune mine, the new potash mine in Canada. You started production there last June. How is the current state of play?
We have achieved another important milestone. We have sent one ship with 30,000 tons full of potash from Bethune to our clients. The direction is China. Important milestone, and we are now in the markets with our Canadian product. And we have slightly adjusted our ramp-up plan so that we now expect 500,000 tons production in 2017, slightly decrease against what we have expected earlier. But that's normal in a ramp-up phase of such a big project. In total, I'm very happy with the current status, and we are ready to really gain in the next couple of years from that side.
Next is the outlook for 2017. You just confirmed the forecast for operating earnings, but the range you give looks rather wide. Why is that?
Now, first of all, I would like to mention that this range means a confirmation of a tangible increase of our earnings in 2017 compared to 2016. And we confirm the range that we have given into the markets in summer, 260 to 360 million euros EBIT. Why is the range that wide? You know that we have a severe impact of the winter weather in both directions, and December will be decisive whether we are more at the upper end or the lower end. And Sigmundshals mine is facing the end of the mine life, and there has to be a decision of closure. If we take the decision still in 2017, that will have a significant one-off, around 40 million euros. And that could then lead that we are ending more at the lower end of the range, but we are still in the range.
The new group strategy, Shaping 2030, was released at the beginning of October. How do you proceed with implementing it?
We started the work to achieve all the targets of phase 1, the transformation phase. First of all, we have set up projects for tapping all the synergies that we are seeing. Target is 150 million euros annually after 2020. And we are reshaping our organization with a target one company, no more silos. And we want to establish a structure for our product market segments. I'm seeing excitement in the company. It makes me very happy about the targets and the content of Shaping 2030.